Hey everybody, it's Andrew here, and I'm going to be unboxing something that I recently got, which is the Arduino from Make Magazine. And basically, the Arduino is, it's a little circuit board that basically you can plug into your computer and program it, and basically take circuitry to the next level with, customizable blinking, and basically, let's just say you take that LED over there in the picture and you plug it into a battery, it lights up. With the Arduino, you can make it flash in sequence, so it'll flash out Morse code or something like that. And that's not it. You can plug in other components, and you can build crazy little robots, and pretty much just a computer in your pocket. You program it, and you can do many things. Not limited just to the light, but to many other things. So in order to use the Arduino, you're going to need the Getting Started with Arduino kit if you're completely new to Arduino like I am. There are more advanced ones, but you might as well start with this one. It's about $106, but they're on sale during Christmas, so this one was about $75. So, their skill levels beginner, perfect for ages 12 and up. And it says, our Getting Started with Arduino book is the perfect companion. And it's not necessary, it's not required, but it's optional, and I think it's a good addition, Getting Started with Arduino, because basically this is like the this comes with instructions and all that, but this basically gives more in-depth stuff with some projects and more complicated things, and basically it'll help you get started. It's a good book. It's only like $14 or something like that. And then the other thing that's not required but optional is the actual Make Magazine Arduino edition, which is basically the special Arduino edition of Make Magazine. So that's you can also get that on makemag.com or something like that. Just Google Make Magazine, and yeah, so it's not required, but it's optional. So let's open up the Arduino. So take out the box. You cut a little piece of tape, but I already did that. And we'll open up to the next optional thing, which is the Maker Shield. And basically what shields are their attachments to your Arduino, and basically they allow you to do more things. So this shield will allow you to do other complex circuitry, and this is the Maker Shield because it's specifically Make Magazine. There's internet shields, there's LCD shields, so you can have a touch screen and all that. So that's just a separate attachment that you can add later. And then the second optional thing is it's wrapped up in bubble wrap, but it's an LCD screen which will allow you to display characters and all that. And that's the other thing you can do with Arduinos, or many other things. This is also optional, so I got that with this. And then comes the actual Arduino bag. And this is where all the magic happens. It's all in this one bag. And I'm doing this one-handed, so sorry if this takes a while. Hold on a second. There we go. So, first thing we're going to... Whoop. Okay, that didn't do anything. First thing we're going to pull out is the Arduino itself. So it's going to come with some open source stickers, hack, DIY, because you're supporting the Arduino project, because it is a project done by only a select few of people. Thank you for supporting Arduino, they love you and all that stuff. And then this is the Arduino itself. It's a USB interface, and it's powered by a 9-volt battery with this DC input. And basically, this is the basis of the Arduino. This is itself. It's a small little circuit board with a bunch of add-ons. There's a button here for programming, or it's a reset, I don't know. It has the Arduino name on it. This is the Arduino UNO, because it's the first one. We got some pin ports here. We got the actual microchip right here, which is the brains. Got some more pin parallel ports here. The basic components that make up the Arduino. So we'll put all this back, because I'm not going to be doing a tutorial of the Arduino. I will be soon, but not right now, because I just want to go through what's in the box. So we'll place the Arduino over there. And next thing we'll put in the bag is we'll pull out and inspect the wires. And these are basically all the wires that come with the Arduino. They're all bundled up, and basically they have little strengthened tips, because you're constantly going to be pulling them in and out of the little PCB breadboard that comes with it. So this is just a stack of wires. We'll put that aside. I forgot to put the stickers back. Next you're going to want to pull out this is your USB interface cable. And basically that you're going to plug in one end, which is this end, into the Arduino, and this goes into your computer. And in the book, if you get it, or online, you'll be able to read on how to install the software for Mac and Windows. Of course, the other thing you'll need is a computer, and I'm obviously a Mac user, because it's the best computer platform in the world. Next, we're going to pull out the resistors, LEDs, capacitors, buttons, and all the basic circuit components. And they're all going to be like this. There should be a part count, and if you're missing parts, you can just contact them, and they'll hopefully send you parts or a replacement kit. And those are basically the stuff you're going to be playing with. Next, you're going to pull out, it comes with one ever-ready 9-volt battery, so you don't have to buy batteries, it comes with it. You're going to pull out the Arduino power box, where basically the 9-volt battery goes in, you have a switch, you have the cables, and then on the inside, let me just slide this open, you're going to find the power cable, that little DC power cable that plugs into the Arduino, and basically that's what you're going to put on the end of this wire. It'll show you how to do all that. So, now we're just going to put that over here, and the final thing you're going to put out of the bag is the breadboard itself, and this is basically where you're going to be pulling in and out connections and making connections with your Arduino and basically building little circuits. And eventually, if you want to have a permanent circuit, you can actually, just like the Maker Shield, you can buy, you can print your own circuit board. You'll learn how to do that on YouTube and all that. And then you can come up with permanent circuits, but this is basically where you do your rough testing, your prototyping, as they call it, and all that. On this little board, you just pin them in and out, and there you go. So that's basically the unboxing of the Arduino UNO, and you can pick one up at the Maker Shed. I think it's makershed.com, or just go to makemag or whatever.com and click on Maker Shed, and you can buy this stuff online. They'll ship it right to your door, and you're going to start having fun with your Arduino. And trust me, they're not boring. If you love technology and you love circuitry, you're in the right place. If you hate this video, don't even bother watching it, because this is the coolest thing, in my opinion, for electronics and circuitry. So, let me just put the stickers back in, and I think these stickers are pretty cool. You get, let's see what you get. You get hacked, because you're a hacker. Arduino DIY, the Arduino logo, whoops, cut out there. And you get an open source heart. So, just put those back in the box. And, yeah, so you can go ahead and stick the stickers wherever you want, and pretty much say that you're a supporter of the Arduino project. So there's the Arduino back in its box. Open source electronics prototyping platform. That's basically what it is. It's OEP. I don't know what Arduino stands for, but that's what they're basically calling it. So put the Arduino back in its bag, and put this back down here. Put the Arduino back in its box. And I'm just going to quickly open up the shield and the LCD screen, just to show you what they look like if you do end up getting them. I'm not going to go any further with the shield because there are too many components, but basically you get the little shield board, and basically you're going to be doing some soldering because you have to actually assemble the shield, and you'll be getting various parts. These are the pin connections, the serial connections. So I'm going to put these back in so I don't actually lose any of the pieces, because trust me, if you lose these pieces, you're in trouble. So just quickly put that back in there. Okay, so basically, if you want to buy this stuff, the website's right here. It's makershed.com, and that's just the extension for the Maker Shield. So, yeah, makershed.com, kits, tools, books, fun, all that stuff. And, yeah. And then finally, I'll show you the LCD screen, which basically is a cool attachment. Inside the LCD screen, we have this little connector that you solder onto the board. I think this is part of the Maker Shield, I'm not sure. And then we have the actual LCD itself, which has not been used yet because I haven't used my Arduino yet. And finally, you get the little connections. I don't know if you snap these off or if they're one single thing. I'd have to read up on it. It's probably one single thing. And then, yeah. So, just package that all back up. But basically, in a nutshell, that is the Arduino. A cool little computer-controlled programming peripheral device. And basically, you can go pick one up at the Maker Shed. They're about $106 usual, like I said, $75 or something like that for the sale. I think it's because of the Christmas sale. And yeah, that's basically the really awesome, if you like technology, Arduino. So we'll put all that stuff back in the Arduino box, and I'm going to hopefully make a tutorial video with the Arduino, because I really want to start playing with this thing. I don't want to just keep making the videos. But, that is the Arduino in a nutshell. So thanks for watching, and expect a tutorial video coming soon with the Arduino UNO from Make Magazine. And once again, I'm Andrew, signing off, and we'll see you soon with your new Arduino. Thanks for watching.